As an Amazon influencer, your success depends on reviewing products people are actually buying. Viral View makes that process easier by showing you what's trending right now. Most influencers waste time guessing or reviewing items that never sell. Viral View gives you real-time Amazon data, including sales estimates and viral scores, so you only pick products with proven momentum. Inside the dashboard, you'll see trending products ranked by viral score. You can filter by category, sales volume, or competition level. This lets you focus your reviews on products with high demand, giving your content better chances of showing in Amazon's carousel and driving affiliate sales. Instead of chasing random product ideas, Viral View ensures every review you post is data-driven, helping you earn faster and stay ahead of other influencers. Want to start reviewing products that actually sell? Check out Viral View using the link in the description and take your Amazon influencer earnings to the next level.